Welcome back to a new video, fans. Today I'm going to tell you about unpair setting in Realme phone. Guys, how can you unpair earbuds in Realme phone, guys? Today I'm going to tell you about how can you unpair it. In this video, guys, we will talk about it. So first of all, fans, I want to say that if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now time to start video. First of all, guys, open your phone setting to unpair your earbuds. After, guys, what will you have to do, guys? On your open your Bluetooth, and guys, you can see that my earbuds still WS has pair, but I want to unpair. So what will you have to, guys? You can see this option. So let's click here, and guys, you can see unpair option, and guys, unpair it. That's it, guys. It will unpair automatic. So I hope, friends, we have understood how to unpair earbuds in Realme phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before, guys, please go and like, comment, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, friends.